Okay, today we're going to talk about adding Google tags onto your Shopify website. So the very first thing is you need to have your Google tags set up. So when you set up your Google tags and you click on the container name, you'll go into this page, and then for the universal Google tag, you just click on this button, the GTM, and it's going to give you paste this code in the head and then paste this code in the body. So we're going to find the head and the body. When we go into Shopify, we go into the themes, and then in the themes we click these three dots and we go to edit code. Now make sure you don't touch any of these because these are just the codes that the developer made, but you'll go into theme.liquid, and in theme.liquid you're going to look for the head section. So you see over here where it says head. So you see this one, it says copy this code in the head section as high as possible. So you copy it and then you put it right under. So as you can see, it's already made. And then now you put this in the body tag section. So then you look for the body. So now you see that this is the end of the head and this is the body. So then you would be copying, pasting the code right over here. And then once you do that, just press save, and now your tags will be active on your website. Thank you.